All right, today is day 10. I started from Dix Creek Gap and on my way up the mountain. Yeah, I'm hoping to make it to the North Carolina border today, and then go about 4 miles further to a campsite, Muskrat, I believe it's called. And however, rain is forecast today, so even though it's mostly uphill, I'm gonna try to push it, and with a little luck I'll beat the rain, or at least any heavy rain, and be able to get my tent set up and hunkered in, maybe even have a little dinner before any heavy rain starts. So we'll see how it goes today. Yeah, and again, today's day 10. Yeah, nice easy trail like this, I can cover a few miles pretty quickly when the trail is nice and easy like this. But as I said earlier, today is mostly uphill, but I think it's going to be gradual. But right now I'm on a little bit of a downhill, so yeah, I'm cooking.
North Carolina, here I am.
Yeah, I just wanted to do a little shout out for Bill and Donna at the Green Dragon Hostel. They were very accommodating to me. It's a great place to stay. They will shuttle you into Hiawassee to resupply and to get some dinner, and they do your laundry for you, and really nice bunks with sheets and a nice fluffy blanket, and yeah, it's a great place. So if you're passing by and you're looking for a hostel, I strongly recommend spending some time with Donna and Bill at the Green Dragon Hostel.
Well, I made it to the muskrat campsite, but the rain beat me, I'm afraid, by about a mile. The last mile of hiking, which was mostly uphill, I did in a fairly light rain. It wasn't that bad. And in fact, I managed to get my tent set up without much problem and cook a little meal for myself, and then hung my bear bag, and now I'm hunkered down for the night. The rain is supposed to continue on until I think about 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning, and so I'll assess my situation then and plan my day for tomorrow. So that's the end of day 10.
Okay, I'm leaving the Muskrat campsite on day 11, and I think I'm gonna do there's another site, can't remember the name of it, I'll have to look it up, in about 10 miles. And I think that's where I'll stop. There's another one that might be, you know, another 3 miles or so down the trail that if I'm feeling good, I might move on to that one, but there's no point in pushing it right now. So it's going to be a pretty easy day today, I think. It's uphill, but I don't think it's going to be too bad. So yeah, I got kind of wet last night heading into the muskrat camp site, and it was raining when I set up my tent, so my tent got a little wet, mainly because I forgot to close the flap for a while. So, but I stayed pretty dry, slept fairly well last night, but it was raining all night long up until about maybe 7 a.m. This morning. But right now, it's not raining. I think there might be some rain forecast. Getting a little bit of sun poking through the sky up there, but that comes and goes. All right, I think I'm on Standing Indian Mountain, and a little cloudy, but pretty nice view back there. Get off the water over there. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Okay, I have maybe three and a half miles to hike yet today before I get to I think it's beach camp grounds. Well, I was planning on camping here tonight, but I don't have a bear canister, and I don't want to pay a $5,000 fine. So I guess I'm gonna hike on. Hopefully I'll be able to camp at the next site, which is another 3.5 miles down the trail. So here we go. Okay, well, I made it to the next campsite, Carter Gap, and it was about another 3.5 miles, but I made it. The trails weren't too bad today. They're having bear issues here as well, so I did a good job hanging my bear bag, and hopefully it'll still be there in the morning, and a bear won't be snacking on it. So yeah, this is the end of day 11. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. I'll hit the 100-mile mark on the Appalachian Trail. I've actually hiked already a little over 100 miles because I did the approach trail, but officially 100 miles on the Appalachian Trail. I'll hit that tomorrow, and Albert's Peak Mountain, I think, which is kind of a landmark on the trail. So tomorrow will be kind of a big day. I think I'll be doing about 12 miles, and then I think I might be able to hitch a ride into a town or something to do a little resupply. I'm not sure, but I'll tune you in on tomorrow. But yep, today's the end of day 11. I'm on my way up to Albert Creek or Albert Pike, or could be that way somewhere. And yeah, the morning started off pretty well. I haven't even hiked an hour yet though, but this was a nice view, so I thought I'd stop and do a little vlog. Well, I made it up Robert Mountain and went another about 6 miles to Rock Gap, where I got a shuttle into Franklin, where I've actually checked into the Hilltop Inn here, where I can use their Wi-Fi to upload a video and actually sleep in a nice bed tonight, and then get another shuttle back to the trail tomorrow morning and take off. But I ought to be able to get this, thanks to the Hilltop Inn's Wi-Fi, I ought to be able to get this video uploaded tonight.